Welcome to Lesson 14a, Event Model in View Forms. An event is something that occurs in response to an action. This is a sequence of events that are raised whenever a page is requested. Pre-init, init complete, preload, load complete, pre-render, render complete, save state complete, and unload. Like pages, server controls also have a life cycle. Server controls events are processed after the page's page init and page load events. This is a sequence of events that is followed for every server control whenever a page is requested. Init, load, pre-render, data binding, unload, and then disposed. All pages and control events follow a standard pattern for their event handler methods. The following two arguments are passed by every event. The sender, this is the object that raised the event, and E, this is the object of type EventArgs, or of a derived type, that contains state information pertinent to the event. In this lesson, you create a page with multiple buttons that all call the same event handler. There are no lesson requirements, and the hint for this lesson is to use the Properties window to select the event handler to use for a particular event. To get started with this lesson, select New Project, ASP.NET Web Application, and enter Lesson 14a for the name of the application. And finally, click the OK button. Right-click the name of the project and select New Item from the Add menu to open the Add New Item dialog box. Select the Web Form template and enter buttoncommand.aspx for the name of a new web form. Add a literal and change the name of the literal to literal button clicked. Add a button control by selecting it from the toolbox. Now we're going to use the Properties window to update it, so close the Solution Explorer to make a little space. You can see these right now are organized by category. You can also just sort them alphabetically. So we're going to be updating the four properties: ID, text, command name, and command argument. Now right-click the page and select View Code to go to the code behind page. Add a new method, which is protected void sort command, and you can see the event arguments are the command event args, so they include the e.command name. Go back to the page, go to Design View, and click on the button. Select Events, select Command, and select the Sort command off the drop-down list. Click the F5 button to run the application. And click the Sort Ascending button. Let's add another button that also has the command name of sort, but has a different command argument. Select the button off the toolbar again. Go to the properties. It's going to be button sort DESC for the sort ascending for the ID of the button. The command name is sort, just like the other button. The command argument is descending, and the text would be sort descending. Now go back to the web form, select Design View, the events, and associate that command event with the existing sort command event that you've written previously. View the code. We're going to update this a little bit because now we're going to add the command argument to the string that's being returned. And click the F5 button to run the application. Oops, I skipped step 8. Now close the browser, return to the web form, and add title equals onCommand event. Click the F5 button to run the application again. Ah, perfection.